Welcome to my apartment. It is a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit located just 10 minutes north of Sydney CBD. If you have ever dreamed of living on the 38th floor with a full view of the Harbour Bridge, Opera House, and the whole city skyline, this might be the place for you. Let me walk you through it. The apartment has an open plan layout with a total internal area of around 90 square meters and a southwest facing balcony of 10 square meters. Apartment comes with one car park and a storage, and we lived here with my partner. First, let's talk about the location. This apartment is just a 2-minute walk from all the shops, cafes and the bus station, so it's super convenient. But what really stands out is the view. Every day you can see the Harbour Bridge, the Opera House and the whole city skyline. Not to talk about the amount of amazing sunset we have experienced. As for the building itself, there's a 24/7 concierge, a rooftop terrace with a pool and a fully functional gym, which is a nice touch. Now, when you first walk into the apartment, there's this great little entrance area. It's perfect for when you're coming or going. We have added a standing full-length mirror so you can check yourself out before heading out. Plus a closet and a coat rack where you can store shoes, jackets and whatever you need. It's that perfect space to get ready without cluttering the rest of the apartment. Inside the apartment, the living area has a really inviting vibe, especially with the high ceilings and those massive floor-to-ceiling windows. The view is absolutely stunning, giving you a sense of openness and light throughout the space. In the living room, we got a super comfortable king living beige sofa that matches the rest of the decor. It's perfect for relaxing, and right in front of it is a small coffee table that complements the dark wood tones. We also have a 75-inch TV which sits on top of a TV cupboard from IKEA. The whole setup is equipped with a sound system that makes watching movies such an immersive experience. Though, to be honest, we don't really use it much anymore. There was a time when watching movies was a regular thing, but these days we are too occupied or prefer to read instead. The dining area is another space we really love. The big marble dining table paired with 6 beige chairs make it ideal for hosting. The gold scented feet on the table tie in with the rest of the apartment's design, making the space feel elegant and put together. The kitchen is probably one of my favorite parts of the apartment. There's this massive kitchen island which has a built-in washing basin with dark matte faucet. There's double door fridge fully integrated into cabinetry, so you wouldn't even know it's there unless you opened it. The oven and even the microwave are built in as well, blending seamlessly into the dark finishes. The whole space is designed to be functional while still looking high-end. We also have Google Home set up throughout the apartment, which makes everything super convenient. And of course, we got an open flame Gagano stove in matte black, which was one of the best additions to this kitchen. I love to cook, and having these setups make it such a great experience. Now, the bedrooms are simple but really thoughtfully designed. The main bedroom faces west, so you can watch the sunset from your bed. Instead of a headboard, we've got a walled map on the wall. Just a little something different to add character, and we think it's amazing. The room is super minimalistic, with just a custom-made floating bed I built years ago, and a plan to add some greenery. It's peaceful and calming space. The bathrooms are also very minimalist. With darker tiles and beige stone finishes that match the rest of the apartment, they're slick and simple with a large shower that keeps the whole bathroom feeling open and modern. The second bedroom is what I use as an office. It has sliding doors that open directly onto the balcony, so I get this incredible view while working. Speaking of the balcony, it's huge, it's half enclosed to protect from the wind, and we got it fully furnished. Whether it's morning coffee or evening sunset, we love to spend time out there. It's got the best views, hands down. Just being up here, looking out at everything, it never gets old. And of course, we got a laundry space. It's pretty straightforward, but really practical. You got a standard sink, washing machine, dryer, and some extra storage for laundry supplies. But honestly, the real selling point of this place is the view. Being on the 38th floor, you get to see everything, from the Harbour Bridge to the Opera House and the whole city skyline, and all the little bays that Sydney has to offer. There's something about those sunsets as well that just makes this apartment feel like home. So that's the tour. If you want a space with incredible views, a minimalist design, and a luxury vibe, this apartment really is something special.